crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and we are on day 3, which is December 15th, for the Keepsake Quilting 12 Days of Advent box, and I did the retro edition. So you may have seen other creators that have already opened all the boxes. They may have started on December 1st. Each of us do what we want when we want, or at least that's what I do. And I decided I wanted this to build up right to Christmas. So I started mine on December 13th. So today's December 15th, but day 3 of the Keepsake Quilting box. And let's jump in and see what did they gift us today out of this box. So far, most of their stickers have peeled off just perfect for me. They use brown bags for everything, but they have a consistent theme in that, and they publish stickers around to match those. And it looked like John got fabric. And you know what? You can never go wrong giving John fabric. So this says Merry Christmas and Happy Quilting. Amish Black. Let me put my glasses on. Classic, timeless, and full of quiet elegance. 20% off. A must-have in any quilter stash, expertly dyed for color consistency. Every piece delivers the same deep, uniform shade. This rich black won't bleed or fade when washed or wet, ensuring your projects stay as stunning as ever. At $7.38 a yard, it's great quality at a great price. And I can get 20% off through the end of February. And I'm only showing you the front because I can't give you the code on the back. So how cool is that? I think that was really nice. They did that for us. And so I have 2 fabrics in here. I have white and black, and I'm hoping that those are a generous 1 yard each cut. It does not say on the card, and so I would have to open it up and guess, but I'm thinking surely they gave us more than just a fat quarter. Maybe not. So, no, I think it is a yard. Yeah. So it looks like it. These are 1 yard cuts, and we got 2. So we've got the black and we got the white. So pretty nice. You can always use these fabrics, right? Because tell you what, I do a lot with black and white, and probably more so than I ever anticipated. So anytime someone wants to give me just something as simple as black or white fabric, it works for me because I think it's important. So I am going to see if I can get that back in the package. If not, it's not a big deal. And it's not going to go back in for John, not that easily. So guys, I appreciate you dropping in. If you would, please do those things that the YouTube algorithm likes, which is giving me that thumbs up, leaving comments down below, telling your friends and anyone that'll listen about the channel. We are getting close to 5,000 subscribers, which just still boggles my mind. But I appreciate each and every one of you being here and giving me part of your day. Until next time, happy crafting.